I cried because my windpipe, I think my windpipe stretched out because my windpipe damaged, like it was aching. My breasts are so huge. They are so huge and heavy.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to Skylife TV. I don't know your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. You want one of them? Well, in this short clip, I'm sorry I was gonna do something, so I do want a quick update. I am 10 weeks pregnant. It still feels so weird saying pregnant. I'm actually 10 weeks pregnant now. I'm not telling a lie. Pregnancy I beat my body right now. Hear me, music just gone down. My belly gets so big, girl, and I get sick a lot. Some days I'm really sick. I don't want to get out of bed. The other day I had one of my favorite meals: baked bean and saltfish, dumpling and banana, plantain, sweet potato. I mean, I tell you, say I threw up for the first time and I cried because my windpipe, I think my windpipe stretched out because my windpipe damaged, like it was aching. TMI, but when I look on the food, I say, Melica, you're not your food good. I got all that choke, yeah. But I threw up for the first time and it's an experience. I really hope that I don't throw up again. It's been 10 weeks and I just threw up once, so that is really good. I am tired a lot now. When I walk, I get a little bit of shorter breath. I don't know how many other symptoms here so early because when I do research, people don't have them until way down. The line in my belly actually a show and stuff like that. The blue line there, yeah, pregnancy line, pregnancy lineage. Yeah, that a show and stuff. So last week my chest and my face, I had a lot of breakouts, acne breakout, but this week I kind of clear up now and stuff. But yeah, I just have to go and take it easy. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday, so I'm gonna see the baby. The last time I heard his heartbeat, throw me and say a boy, so we just say his heartbeat. And I tell her, say, yeah, I want to pull up me eye, like book. And I said, Jimmy. Oh God. Yeah, so and that's a go on for what I go on. Yeah, I'm like God know when I do, me never dog on 9 to 5 because me tell us that me can't manage it. When I go to establishments and I see pregnant people, like me I say nothing wrong with them, or they look so normal. It come like when you're having your first child, like it hits different. I mash up, man. I mash up totally. Right now, I don't know when I pull out my ear because I can't go now if he come. I can't stay now so long. Can't sit down in no establishment so long and stuff. Last week I was really spitting a lot. Mouth water will leave. Excuse me. This week it's not so much. And my appetite, like my hardly I eat, and Miss girl love my food. Like my hardly eating. So concerned about that. So you say when you're 10 weeks, you're 3 months pregnant. But I say 4 weeks. When you're 10 weeks, you're 3 months pregnant. Based on one, look at something I read pan. But 4 weeks make 1 month, right? So it would be 12 weeks that make 3 months in my eyes. Like, comment below if I'm having this calculation incorrect. Because when I look on the calculator, the pregnancy calculator, it's telling me that I'm 3 months pregnant today, which is 10 weeks. I'm saying 3 months should be 12 weeks. You understand? So I'm gonna must be a bit incorrect, you know. I'm new to this. I'm baiting. So I have to think about my baby name. My baby! Baby girl! Baby boy! You want breast? Want breast? No, but I feel like I'm so scared. It's not even funny. I'm telling you the truth. Sometimes I have some thoughts, like I don't know if other pregnant people have these thoughts. But I'm not ready to talk about these thoughts. Maybe I put that in a separate video because I think that's a very, very important and touchy topic. I never heard anybody come from YouTube come talk about that. So them have their thoughts and stuff. So yeah. But also go and take it easy. I'm breezy. I really wanted to start doing the content-based videos for you guys, but I've been so sick. Yesterday, I sleep till I fright myself. Like, you know, when you sleep till like you hear yourself a draw bungy and it's so deep, it wakes you up. Like that deep. So really have a surgery week or something. So I just want to take it easy, go and drink a lot of water. You know, I crave a lot of fruits like pineapple. The baby really likes pineapple. I like it too. I normally like banana and stuff like that. So I just go and eat what I can eat, because they say that in this stage though you have food aversions and food cravings. I hardly eat. I'm concerned. So I have my prenatals that I take. I take the folic acid and I also take the prenatal gummies, stuff like that, so that the baby can develop right. When I go to the doctor the next time, I should be seeing a more human-like shape of the baby. So I'm very excited about that. But that's my little update for what is happening now. My breasts them, right now my breasts them look pregnant down my belly. My breasts are so huge. They are so huge and heavy. Can't lay down on my belly and sleep. I lay down on my side and stuff. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel and having this little update. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and turn on your post notification bell. Leave a comment in the comment section.